To make
it's
a
hard.
bag when you're trying to make something is much harder.
Yeah.
I mean, it's easy to just do a tried and true formula and be like, I'm gonna make dogs like what's ever already in the market, and I'm gonna sell them for this price and I'm gonna make some money. But if you're trying to make something your own thing, like I said before, it may work, it may not work, you may not get what you want. It's a much longer process.
Absolutely.
You know, that old dog being consistent, like you got to really do it for a period of time and start gaining trust. People like, oh, this guy's actually doing what he says he is, and the dogs are getting better.
Absolutely.
And it's a longer route, but it's more fulfilling, I feel like.